Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making baked peach oatmeal. Now this dish is inspired by my recent trip last month in June to Georgia, where I was a judge at the Peachy Keen Pup Festival. Now that was the most fun and exciting time I had. They had really cool categories like dressed your pup up, or which pup had the cutest, peachiest personality. So I had a great time there, and this dish is inspired by that recent trip. And that was at the Georgia Peach Festival. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Ding. And subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell. It's the fastest and easiest way for us to continue to bring you weekly recipe videos. We do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook.
It's supposed to say ding.
Ding. Let's make the baked peach oatmeal. Really, really good breakfast protein bar-ish recipe. Come bake with me. Fun fact, peaches are a close cousin to the almond. Stu, tell them why. Now I'm using frozen peaches. You definitely can use fresh peaches, and you really don't have to cut the skin off. You can just use the skin in it. I just had a bag of frozen peaches in my freezer, so decided to use it.